Okay, so I'm going to show you what I am working on right now. So this I buy this ATV. This ATV for kids. It's called 49cc ATV, and I just throw away all of those accessory. I also took out gasoline engine. It is come with 49cc engine, two-stroke engine, but I did not want it, and I throw it away and change it to this BLDC brushless DC motor. It is 48 volt, 750 watts. It come with this controller right there, right? And I also change the this motor come with it is a 420 chain sprocket, so I have to change the chain from the old 49cc. Also, like this part, this chain, and also this rear rear sprocket into the one that you use with motorcycle. I just wheel it together. It's not a decent job over there, so but it's all together. Okay, and for steering, I use this one. I use the geared motor. It is the one that I have another clip about this. It is supposed to be the one that have a control circuit on top, and it should be able to act like a servo motor. But when I try it, it is like it does not come to middle position when you release the stick. It's supposed to steering back to forward position, but this one it just does not go in the middle somehow. I don't know, and I try to fix it, but nothing can make it better. So I decide to that okay, I just take off this circuit and just use the geared motor and connect to this servo motor to keep it positioned. I think you can find several of this tutorial on several YouTube clip. I have done this by watching it too, so but I think mine is a bit different than others, so that is why I'm here talking to you. I connected directly to this I don't know what you call this in English, but yeah, to this shaft. I drill through it and connect these two together, right? Most of the time I saw on the YouTube clip they connect it directly to somewhere here, but since this is my I modify this car, so I don't have a lot of choice and not much tool I can work it out. Yeah, so I would like to tell you my journey with this gear motor and servo motor. So at first there are several stuff that other YouTube channel did not tell you. So at first I did not use this motor. I use another one. It is a rather old one. Let me see if it is still around here. Show it somewhere. I think it's here. I am using this one. Yeah, this is already modified to have 5 cable come out of it. So this is an old one, I think. GWS Servo S03T STD. Right? I thought I can use any servo, but then I am trying with this model. It just does not. It vibrates a lot. It doesn't work. Like when it came back in the. I mean, you can rotate it left and right. That's fine. But when it come to the center position, this thing vibrate a lot. Like vibrate non-stop, and you cannot stop it. And in the power supply over there said it always consume like 1 to 2 amperes without load. That is a lot, and I think that will wear out the gear inside this motor a lot. I don't know what to do. So at first I changed the motor driver. earlier I used another one, but now it is this one, right? It is, I'm using this one, MDD3A from Citron, I think. Yeah, this is Citron one, right? So I changed it, it improved a little, but then the jittering, the vibration is still there. So next one I tried is I changed this servo to this one, right? This one is rather new one. I just bought it like a few months back. This one is MG946R. It have the word like digital high torque to it, so I don't know if the circuit inside matter, but what really happened is like this one just worked, right? When I change it to this motor, there is no more vibration. It just when it's centered, and it just cut off the circuit. I mean, it does not consume anything. So I think it's worked quite well for me. Yes, and about this motor driver, I found out that in another YouTube clip does not mention this. So actually you have two, I would say two kind of motor driver in the market right now. One is like have 3 inputs, right? So they will have like a motor A, motor B, and then PWM. So if you want to drive it, you have to, motor A and motor B is for direction, and PWM is how fast you want to go. But this one, it only have 2 inputs. It's like in A and in B. Alright, so we have 2 channels, so that you can put in the control signal from the servo. The one that control the motor. You can just take this 2 pin out and connect to this in A and in B, right? And it will work just fine. You have to be careful on how to connect this servo motor. You can test it out for direction. You can either switch the signal cable, or switch the motor voltage input, right? Oh, and I also have another box here. That one is relay, right? So that's why that is how I can use the RC controller to control some of the input that is need to drive this controller, because the controller you need like a start signal, and also for reverse, right? Also for reverse you have to do some switch, turn on this switch into like a reverse gear, and then this thing go reverse, right? So I hope you like this clip and it is useful for you. I just try to give back to the YouTube DIY channel people. So thank you.